Across the headlines, talk of a bubble or irrational optimism in the stock market has become hard to ignore, with many drawing comparisons between today's AI-driven rally, the housing boom of the 2000s, and the dot-com mania of the late 1990s. Nvidia, the face of the AI revolution, has surged by more than 4,000% in just 5 years, climbing to a $5 trillion market cap, making it the largest listed company in the world. To many investors, that performance feels very familiar. Back in the late 1990s, Cisco saw a similar 5-year, 4,000% rally during the dot-com boom, before its share price collapsed by nearly 80%, erasing most of those gains. It's comparisons like these that are fueling today's AI bubble talk. And it's not just Nvidia. Other major tech firms deeply involved in AI have also seen huge gains. Tesla has surged to more than 2,000% over the past 5 years. Giants like Apple, Google, Meta, and Microsoft have each climbed around 300% during the same period. Even the weakest performer among them, Amazon, has still gained about 155% or more than 20% per year. Some argue that such massive returns can't last forever and that markets could be setting up for a correction reminiscent of the dot-com era. These companies, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, are the ones spending the most to build the foundation of AI itself. Since the release of ChatGPT, their combined capital expenditures have surged from around $160 billion to nearly $400 billion. And by 2026, that figure is projected to approach $500 billion. Most of this spending is going into data centers, semiconductors, and cloud infrastructure. Basically, the plumbing that keeps AI running. And as these firms have grown larger and more dominant, they now make up an ever bigger chunk of the entire market. As we can see in this chart, the top 10% of companies by market value, most of which are AI related, account for about 75% of the total market capitalization. That is the highest level of concentration on record, even higher than during the late 1990s dot-com era. Back then, just a handful of large tech names like Cisco, Intel, and Microsoft dominated the market. And of course, that didn't end too well.